Hello, hello everyone. Are you juggling to iterate over a multiple list? Are you struggling to join the unequal list, printing the unpacking? So many problems, right? But you want to write a clean code. You don't want the messy code. So today I'm going to share with you the magic tool. So let's dive with me in this code. I will share my screen. Here you go. This is called zip method. Very popular method. Now let's see how it works like a magic. So here I have declared the two list. Now if you want to join them, you can declare a new variable and then zip method. Start with the zip keyword and pass the all your list inside it. And now print it using this list. And then here you go. How easy it is. No for loop, no matching index. Very simple code, right? And now if you want to iterate over, then you can start with the four keyword, your two variables in zip, both list name and then print it. You look at this. I'm using the format function here. It is so easy. No nested loop, no matching, very easy, right? And then you have a handling unequal length list. It is a unequal. There is only two name but three scores of the student. And now if I'm printing it, let's see how it will handle. Very easy. No error at all, right? It is just ignoring the third value which it because it is not it does not have any matching name with it, right? So you don't need any conditional loop, for loop, easy, magic, right? Less piece of code. And then if you want to keep the missing value, use a zip underscore longest method from Iterate tools package. This is a popular library. You can declare the from Iterate tools import zip underscore longest and then print zip underscore longest student scores fill value not applicable. Now look at this. So it handled this unequal with this one. So it picked up the value which I have declared here. You can choose any value according to your choice. So this is very useful during data analysis if you want to keep the missing value and you have an unequal list. If you want to unzip the paired list, you can do like this. This is a paired list and declare two variable names zip round bracket star pairs, and then you can unzip them by printing simply their name. So now you have seen the magic of the zip method, how powerful it is, how easy it is to write the code. No long piece of code, no index matching, no nested loop, no like the simple many for loops, right? So keep watching my video, and if you are a new subscriber, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video and become an expert program with science data science. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay.